Hello mga ka-dreamers! So, I'm here in Minglanilla, Cebu. So, we have house and lot for sale, smart house, apilatan ng butang sa sulod, located here in Tungkop, Minglanilla. Only 400 meters from the National Highway and near Mary Help of Christian School. Very close sa atong merkado and schools, 3 minutes drive to Gaisano Mall, 5 minutes drive to South Gen Private Hospital. Clean title and the price is 11 million including all the appliances, and then buyer will pay the transfer charges and other fees. So take all ani siya, 3 beds and 3 baths and 1 pantry, and then mga 30 to 40 meters from the swimming pool and clubhouse, equipped with Alexa and smart light switches and appliances, fully integrated